4th of Jumad al-Ula, Urus Mubarak of Hazrat Sayyid Shah Aqiq Bukhari, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Hazrat Sayyid Shah Aqiq Hussaini Bukhari Naqshbandi Qadri Shaheed, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, was born in 825 Hijri, corresponding to 1421 AC, in Uch Sharif, District Bahawalpur, Southern Punjab, Pakistan. He was one of the most famous Awliya Kiram and Sufis of Sindh. He received his primary education and training in his homeland under the wise supervision of his father, Sayyid Sharifuddin Bukhari, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. He then gained blessed knowledge from Arab and non-Arab mashayikh, spiritual guides. He took an oath of allegiance, the bay'at, and received khilafat in the Naqshbandi and Qadri silsilas. He carried out the great responsibility of delivering guidance to the people throughout his life and laid down his life in the cause of rectification of the people, propagation of the deen, and spreading of Islam. His shrine is a center of spirituality and blessings. A large number of people are gaining blessings from his holy personality and his relics. Those who suffer from any physical disease usually visit his shrine and get their illness cured by the will of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal. He is well known by the title of the spiritual surgeon. Hazrat Sayyid Shah Aqiq Hussaini Bukhari Naqshbandi Qadri Shaheed, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, became a martyr on the 4th of Jumad al-Ula in 855 Hijri, corresponding to the 4th of June, 1451 AC. His holy shrine is situated in Ladia, District Sajawal, Babul Islam, Sindh, Pakistan, and is a source of blessings for its visitors. May the blessings of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
Allah wale jo Allah se mila